The return of Los Angeles County's indoor mask mandate next week still seemed nearly certain, but the number of virus patients hospitalized took a sharp downturn, stoking a small burst of hope. Nearly 800 new COVID-19 cases were reported in Los Angeles County on Friday, July 22, along with 20 more deaths. According to state figures, there were 247 COVID-positive patients in county hospitals as of Friday, a surprisingly large single-day decline from 329 on Thursday. The number of those patients being treated in intensive care also dropped, from 142 on Thursday to 120 on Friday. Nonetheless, absent a sudden, major, days-long reduction in hospital numbers over the next week, the county will likely still be in the high category on July 28, triggering a new indoor mask mandate beginning the next day. Although the daily number of new cases may be leveling off, Ferrer said this week that it's highly likely the county will remain in the high transmission category next week. At the same time, she said if there's a steep drop in transmission numbers, the county may want to be cautious about moving too quickly on the indoor masking mandate. If our cases really start a steep decline, it's likely that a couple weeks from now our hospitalizations will also decline, she said. We're on the cusp between medium and high transmission levels. It isn't going to take much to move us back into that medium community level if we can get our case numbers to go lower. Still, should the county remain in the CDC's high-level category, she also reiterated why she believes a masking requirement may be justified. Of all the tools we have used in this pandemic to counter the spread of COVID, indoor masking is one of the simplest, and turns out to be very effective. The long-anticipated deadline spurred sharp criticism as it grew nearer. An alliance of Los Angeles County business groups called this week on health officials to abandon the plans for the mandate, saying the move would be heavy-handed and a burden on businesses that will be forced to enforce the rule. This is not a debate about choosing between lives and livelihoods.